Hello friends, today's topic is apoptosis. We're learning an irreversible cell injury that goes in two ways. One is a necrosis and second is apoptosis. Today we learn apoptosis here. Apoptosis means a falling off or a dropping off. When cell get a signal to suicide or to kill themselves by the liberations of some enzyme, these are called as apoptosis. It is coordinated and internally programmed cell death. So apoptosis is a formation of coordinated and a program in cell death. Significance and variety of physiological and pathological conditions. So what are the physiological and pathological conditions for the apoptosis? Apoptosis is good in some cases, apoptosis is bad in some cases. So where the apoptosis is good in the physiological process, apoptosis is must. While the development of embryo, during the embryogenesis, organized cell get destructed and scapulating of tissue. When the hand is developed from limb bud, and these fingers are attached with the some cell, and then after that they get separated. When this separation of these fingers takes place, the cell which is present between two fingers goes into the apoptic changes and the fingers get separated. If it is not happened, the fingers are attached even after a birth. It's called as syndactyly. It's seen in the some chromosomal diseases. Other example of physiological involvement of cell in hormone dependent tissue. For example, regression of lacting breast after withdrawal of breastfeeding. What are the other causes of physiological apoptosis? After serving a purpose of cell like lymphocytes, neutrophil, these are get in action when any foreign particle or any inflammatory process is there. After the inflammation, their work is over. So what they does? They goes into apoptic changes. They goes into a suicide. Other example, when the T cell is get hyperactive, this T cell must want to die, because if it is not happen, this cell along with the immunity causing a autoimmune disease. So this is good. The self destruction of cell is good. That is a physiological process of apoptosis. In case of cancer, so cancer is abnormal and excessive formation of cell. When the cancer patient is under a radiotherapy or chemotherapy, and the cell get into apoptic changes and reduction of cancer cell, this is also physiological apoptosis. Then what are the pathological apoptosis? Progressive depletion of CD4 plus T cell in the pathogenesis of AIDS. Cell have a mitochondria, and along with this mitochondria there is a cytotoxin C is present. This cytotoxin C is not permeable to come out of the cell wall. If these permeable, these are combined with some receptors and releasing of enzyme is called as capsase. This capsase stimulated the cell for the process of apoptosis, and this is happened in the form of pathological process of apoptosis. For example, in case of AIDS, for example, in case of viral infection, in case of viral infection, especially viral hepatitis, the cell destruction or a cell suicide with the formation of balloonization. The small balloons are formed there. It's called as Councilman bodies seen in the viral hepatitis. Other example is pathological atrophy of organ and a tissue on the withdrawal of stimuli. For example, after the removal of testes, prostatic atrophy, the prostatic cell did suicide or get destructed, and prostatic atrophy is happened. This is one of the pathological process of apoptosis. Again, if a obstruction in ureter, there is atrophy seen in kidney. If the atrophy is seen in the salivary gland, this means there is an obstruction in salivary duct. These are again an example of pathological process of apoptosis. In case of Alzheimer's disease, neurons goes into a process of apoptosis. This apoptic changes is formed in the neuron, and because of this, a dementia is seen in case of Alzheimer's. In case of acute myocardial infarction, 20% cell goes into a necrosis, and 80% cases or 80% cell goes into a apoptic changes. What are the pathological causes of apoptosis? First, we saw the obstruction. That may be obstruction in any duct. For example, it may be a pancreatic duct. The obstruction of a pancreatic duct causes that shrinking or a cell death is causing in the pancreas. Shrinkage of pancreas is there. Or it may be a hypoxic injury. It may be a radiation. It may be a anti-cancerous drug. Or it may be a increased permeability of cell, which lead to a cytoplasmic C, which stimulated the capsase, that can cause a apoptosis. So what are the cellular event of apoptosis? The normal cell will get a stimuli or get a signal that first get a shrinkage of cell and chromatic condensation. This chromatin material which is present in the cytoplasm that migrate towards the nucleus, and cytoplasm goes into a shrinkage without damage to a plasma membrane. Then after that, membrane start bubbling and broke into some pieces. Is called as apoptic body. These apoptic bodies is phagocyted by the macrophages, and when this is phagocytes by there, by the macrophages. They are not goes into a process of inflammation. So this is a cellular event of apoptosis. Molecular mechanism of apoptosis. Apoptosis may be caused because of hypoxic injury or may be caused because of DNA damage. Damage at the level of DNA cytoplasm is not leaking normally a cytochrome C, which is present inside the cell, which is prevented by BCL2. And what happened after the damage in DNA? That Bax and bank, these are come. Here the BCL2 is an anti-apoptic cells. They are prevent the cell from goes into apoptic changes. But when this Bax and bank are come, they permeable to cytochrome C to the outside of a cell. When the cytochrome C is come outside the cell, this stimulated the other cell and causing a liberation of enzyme is called as capsase. That's capsase 8, capsase 9, capsase 6 and capsase 3 are responsible for the process of apoptosis. So they can cause a cell death. Here this liberation of this enzyme can cause a apoptosis. So the apoptosis and the necrosis is both are a cell death. In the both of the process there is a formation of cell death. But in case of apoptosis there is a formation of bubblings and apoptic bodies are formed which get phagocyted by the macrophages. So these are not leaking outside and not get a part of inflammation. So there is no inflammation in the apoptosis, and what happened in necrosis, the cell rather than the shrinkage there is a cell swelling of the cell is caused and plasma membrane is ruptured here. So nucleus and a cellular outlines this get into a destruction, the lysis of cellular and nucleus lysis. And because of destruction of plasma membrane, the destructed cell structure goes into a process of inflammation. So this is a difference between the necrosis and apoptosis. Apoptosis never goes into a inflammation and necrosis may goes into a inflammation. Thank you for the watching. Thank you.